Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a Dyson expert and I'm going to answer this question. So someone said, I have a large home with 4 bedrooms. How long is the runtime on the Dyson V11? So the runtime depends on the power mode that you're using. So you can see from the LED screen on the back, you can see what power mode you're using and exactly how much runtime you have left. So if you're on eco mode, you'll get up to 60 minutes of power. If you're on medium or auto mode, you'll get up to 40 minutes of power. If you have the Dyson V11 Absolute and if you're using the high torque head, then the runtime will depend on what floor you're cleaning. So if you're cleaning a carpet, there'll be less time. It's usually about up to 20 minutes. And if you're cleaning a hard floor, it'll be up to 40 minutes. That's because on the carpet, it's automatically using more suction than on the hard floor. And then if you use boost, you'll get up to 15 minutes of runtime with that setting. So again, it depends on what setting you're using at the time. If you have any other questions, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert, or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag #AskADysonExpert.